Unit 3. This is Mimi. Vocabulary.
Hello everyone. My name is Nick. Today we're going to learn 5 new words. Are you ready? Wow! That is a star. This is a star. A star for you. This is used to describe something that is close to you, within your reach. This is my t-shirt. It's a gray shirt. This THIIS. This is Doraemon. This is for something that is close to you. That is for something that is far away, out of your reach. That. Look. That is a half moon. That's Lisa. THAT. That. Now repeat after me. That. Good job. Yes, a point. And one more. No! Yes. 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 Yes means okay, that's correct, or wonderful. You say yes to confirm something or say something is nice. Yes. 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 Is that Linda? Yes, it is. Yes! I passed my exam. No. 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 No means not okay, that's not true, or that's too bad. You say no to deny something or when you don't want something to happen. No. N-O. No. No, I don't agree with you. Oh no! I got a very bad grade. And means also, plus, or in addition to. You say and between two or more things or people that have something in common, or to add more information. And. A-N-D. And. A star. And another star. You and me are friends. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Remember to study the words. Bye-bye. See you again.